Congresso,
this
caros CEOs das empresas de telecomunicações que acabaram de estar aqui no nosso neste debate do Estado da Nação. Cabe-me a mim fazer aqui pouco umas notas finais sobre o nosso Congresso. Em primeiro lugar, nós queríamos fazer Congresso
First of all, we wanted to organize a Congress that would be a good Congress on the digital sector anywhere in the world, not only in Portugal, but anywhere in the world. And I think we're able to do so because of our different topics, our speakers, the debates that took place, and especially the analysis made on the different sectors of our economic activity on our subject, that is how business and science should or not work together. And that is why I think that we've achieved our objective. And however, let me ask ChatGPT what it thought of the topic, and I asked ChatGPT how it thought the APD Congress was running. Fortunately, I had Sandra Almeida sitting next to me that asked the same question. What was the answer? Two different answers were given. In my case, the answer, ChatGPT detected that I had written a post at the beginning of the Congress and basically repeated what I had already said. In Sandra's case, since she hadn't done this, ChatGPT went to social media, mentioning certain things about how the Congress ran, and that is what was mentioned was completely different, mentioned by ChatGPT. It strengthened the fact that we need to be very cautious when we ask things to these tools, when we ask questions. So our digital literacy has to be very high so that we're able to understand what is happening when we interact with these tools, these types of tools. But we're convinced, despite the idea that ChatGPT gave us, despite of what it said, that our Congress was very good, very productive. And let me thank the President of this Congress that we held many meetings to prepare it. I'd like to thank our sponsors, RTP, and APDC's executive team, which did a great job and carried out many efforts. During the first day and at the opening of this Congress, I drew the attention to an aspect which I consider to be essential. In Portugal, we have two problems. We have an economic one and a cultural. We have an economic and a cultural one. Economically, we have micro enterprises, and the cultural one is that we think it's fine. And indeed, one of the main problems of our economy is that we have very small enterprises with not much profit, with difficulty to invest. I gave three examples. One of them has to do with the annual turnover that the National Institute for Statistics stated regarding the larger enterprises, that is 370,000 euros. Most of the Portuguese enterprises don't pay one or two good salaries. I also mentioned that the 1,100 regarding individual accounts, if they were consolidated, they were not 1,000, with 40 million turnover, which is a very small number. And about the profit, the largest Dutch company has net earnings of 15 million during a year. The largest Danish, with half of our population, the net earnings is 15 million a year. 15 billion is not the sum of all the C20 companies. One Dutch company, one Danish, has more profit than the largest Portuguese companies.
E porquê que então na opinião pública se diz
So why is it that in public opinion people say that Portuguese companies make a lot of money and have huge profit? But that's what happens when you're poor. And this is a fundamental problem that we have in Portugal, and that is the scale and the size of companies. That's why it's so important that we have reference institutions, and these are from the scientific and technological world, big companies, international companies that we're able to attract to Portugal, and the largest Portuguese companies and Portuguese companies that also want to be big.
Apesar de serem, por exemplo, uma startup,
although they are a startup,
de estarem numa fase difícil,
they are
querem ser grandes. E essas instituições
they want to be big, and this
o trabalho interessante.
Is the reference
e, portanto,
where interesting work is being done. And
o talento não se retém. O talento atrai-se e depois trata-se bem.
You attract it,
e as pessoas,
and you take good care of it.
São
people are attracted
mais
by the most interesting projects. And here we showed there's a lot of interesting work being done in Portugal.
Tinha uma frase que era,
there was a sentence in our Congress,
não há negócios sem ciência.
There's no business without
e chamou a atenção que muita dessa ciência é ciência fundamental.
Showed
e, portanto,
that much of this science is fundamental science. We must invest in knowledge so that we may generate products and interesting services. So it is absolutely crucial that Portugal realizes that we have this cultural problem. But we also have another cultural problem. We want everything for
mesmo as coisas sofisticadas. O Alexandre
low prices,
mostrou hoje uma fotografia
Alexandre
muito
Gropelli
interessante
showed an interesting picture in his presentation.
Em Roma,
This was a picture he took in Rome when he was going by some shop windows, and there were two boards side by side. One had a telecom package and the other one a snack. So the monthly subscription of a telecom package and a snack. Which one was the most expensive one? The subscription of the telecom package. It's a sophisticated product, because a snack is something you can buy everywhere and you don't really need it. And telecommunications are fundamental for a country to work.
Nós não podemos alinhar, digamos, neste espírito. E quem se lembra do espírito que existia em Portugal no final da década de 2000, aliás, da década passada e início dos anos 2000. Nós falávamos de inovação. Apareceu um terceiro operador, por natureza, por mercado assim determinou. A concorrência estava a aumentar, mas falava-se de inovação. Quem vinha a Portugal via que nós tínhamos em Portugal televisão interativa, que a gente andava com o programa para trás quando chegava a casa, para ver o programa que ainda não tinha visto quando chegou a casa, e mais ninguém no mundo fazia uma coisa dessa. Porque em Portugal era melhor. Nós inventámos o pré-pago. Nós fizemos coisas que mais ninguém no mundo ainda tinha feito. E o que é que nós falamos hoje? É dos preços, é o espírito low cost, se as zonas brancas não têm para lá uma pessoa por acaso ia passar.
If in the white zones we shouldn't have coverage, or that we should have
coverage. A gente não consegue fugir a essa lógica. Porquê? Porque isso ficou na opinião pública.
Portanto, nós tivemos, obviamente, uma administração
da Anacom com quem o mercado tinha diferenças fundamentais.
With whom the market had fundamental differences. We're no longer there anymore, fortunately. But this spirit is now part and parcel of public opinion. It's in social media, in the questions people are asked.
recuperar isso é muito difícil,
to recover from this is very difficult, but it's something that needs to be done. So, what is a fundamental role today for a regulator, and what is the role of governments themselves, is to recover the image of this sector, giving it the conditions to invest, and also so that it's not remunerated below the cost of capital. It's not only important to protect consumers. That's why we have a specific entity to do that, to protect consumers. What is fundamental is to strike a balance between the interests of consumers and the health of the business of companies. Because if the businesses of companies is not healthy, consumers will not have these services. So this is a fundamental role of governments and regulators.
Para que não se instale em Portugal o espírito
we don't have in Portugal the low-cost spirit, so that we go back to the innovation
nós queríamos deixar como mensagem deste Congresso.
Já agora, outros
setores, como por exemplo os mídia que nós vimos, atravessam também um período extremamente difícil, porque é muito difícil ser profissional, ser rigoroso, ter os melhores jornalistas e aquilo que é valorizado é o boato, é a notícia improvisada, é aquilo que se pode fabricar desta ou daquela maneira, são as falsas notícias,
fake news,
são as coisas bombásticas, são aquilo que bateu na avó e
the big
prédio abaixo,
news are someone beats up his grandmother, someone who falls down high-rise building.
Percebe o que eu digo? Nós temos que valorizar o jornalismo sério e as empresas têm que ter condições.
Serious journalism, companies need the necessary conditions to
demos esta contribuição para trazer estes temas para cima da mesa.
So we gave our contribution so that these topics were discussed,
como cada um dos setores está a inovar, como cada um dos setores está a aproveitar a capacidade que o nosso setor tem fornecido.
And which has been offered by our sector, and that is what APDC will continue doing, always in a more innovative way, and also in ways that we can do our best, and with your interest, of course, the help of all of you, so that Portugal is back on track to innovation and to value the innovation we have, because there's a lot being done here in Portugal that is as good or better than what is done in the world. Thank you.
E agora os nossos hosts estão aqui, eu vou apresentá-los.
Our hosts, let me
e quero agradecer, juntamente com eles, o gosto que nos deram de poder animar este programa. Nós temos este programa, como falamos com eles, e dizer-vos que é gosto de trabalhar com este tipo de equipa,
porque eles já fazem
isto já há vários anos.
Because they've been doing this with us for several years. They're part and parcel of the furniture, you can say that.
Eles também nos ajudam a pensar o Congresso,
they also help us in designing the Congress and to think about what should be approached, discussed. So this partnership with RTP has been very valuable. Now I will leave the stage. No, stay with us. We're going to close the Congress, and again, it was a pleasure to be here together with you for 2 days, and we are here to try and make sense of all of this. On my behalf and on behalf of Ana Carolina, we learn a lot. Sometimes we ask difficult questions, but that's why these questions have to be asked. When we don't ask questions because we don't want to know or find out, and the chairperson of the Congress started with courageous questions, so this is a space where we ask questions with freedom. Before saying goodbye, I would like to thank the entire RTP team. It's not just the two of us. There's a big team, mostly team of women
os nossos colegas da RTP
at the control room,
e levam isto em transmissão. Obrigado a eles.
I would like to thank them. I would like to thank Rogério, APDC, and Sandra. Now, let me thank Rogério and the APDC. It's a super team. You were using this adjective. This is a super team, and we leave this Congress with a lot of food for thought. And we go back home and think about the future and the relationship between businesses and science in a different way. So thank you very much. See you next year.